What if I told you the quietest person in the room might be the most powerful one there, and the loudest one might just be recharging in plain sight? Let me tell you a story. There were two friends, Arav and Kabir. Arav walked into a party like he owned the place, music loud, lights flashing, 20 conversations at once. He thrived in it. The more people, the more energy he felt. Talking wasn't effort for him, it was fuel. Kabir walked in 5 minutes later, same room, same music, same people, but his brain was already scanning for the quiet corner. Not because he was shy, not because he was scared, but because too much stimulation drained him. That's the first difference. An extrovert gains energy from the outside world, an introvert gains energy from inside world. Now here is where people get it wrong. Extrovert doesn't mean confident. Introvert doesn't mean antisocial. At that same party, Ara would speak to 10 people, Kabir would speak to 2. But those two conversations will be more deep, meaningful, and intense. Arav thinks out loud. Kabir thinks first, then speaks. When there's a problem in the group, Arav brainstorms publicly. Kabir processes silently and then drops one sharp insight that changes everything. Extroverts process by expressing, introverts process by reflecting. And here is the twist. After 3 hours, Arav is still buzzing. Kabir goes home, sits in silence, and recharges alone. But the next day, Kabir might write something very profound while Arav might call 10 more people. No one is superior here. They are just wired differently. Think of it like this. Extroverts are like solar panels, they charge from the social sunlight. Introverts are like the power banks, they recharge internally and release energy selectively. The real power is knowing which one you are, because when you stop trying to behave like the other type, you start operating at your full strength. So tell me, do you recharge in crowds or in quiet? That answers reveal more about you than you think. Thanks for watching.